all about my money is life. I come with that strap like a knife. These niggas be playing with life. I make a nigga pay the price. Look at the diamonds, they bright. They gon' shine in the night. And when you see me, we gon' fight.
What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. It's your boy, Drizzy the Best from the West. And y'all niggas know how we coming. But yeah, I'm about to go pick up this car. I'm about to go look at it, see if I like it. If so, I'm gonna cop that motherfucker. Know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all so we can go see it. Come on.
No, get 100 on the back end, 100 on the front end, and in the middle. Nigga.
Thought I won't make it when no times got hard. Thought I won't make it, now it's foreign cars. Thought I won't make it, now they make no noise. Thought I won't make it, no, I brought my boys. 100 on back ends, been in the back.
I'm about to go cash out on the web. Y'all see the bankroll. You already know how we coming. Thumbing through hundreds. I'm getting paper cuts. But it's okay though. About to cash out. You did. See y'all when we get in the new whip. Alright, so right here I took out the audio, but as you can see, I'm in my new car. I was sitting there explaining how I got in a wreck, and that's the whole reason why I bought a new car. But yeah, if y'all want the story time about my wreck, like this video. Yeah, I copped it. That big clean. Yeah. I had to cop another one for y'all boys. Good looks to everybody who made it this far in the video. Y'all go follow me on the gram right now. Drizzy the Best. And we out YFM Squad.
Yeah, I stack that money to spend it, they said don't do it. Don't do it, get it, be my heart, my niggas said don't do it. Trust that big, I'm poppin' person, sippin' lean, they say don't do it. Keep on grinding to the top, I gotta do it hard. The money coming from my soul, but I won't do it. Put the chopper to it, favor something, said don't do it. Money in the fame, won't change, just can't do it. Praying every day,